Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Did you know you can control vibration when Grok is responding to you? Let me show you how. First, open the Grok app on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Tap the menu icon in the corner of the screen. Then tap your profile picture. Now, go to Haptics. Make sure Haptics is turned on. Once enabled, you'll see additional options below. Look for the section called When is Haptics Needed? Then find the option Grok is responding. Tap on it. Here, you can enable or disable vibration when Grok is generating a response. Turn it on if you want a vibration cue while Grok is replying. This can help you know that the app is actively responding. If you prefer no vibration, you can turn it off anytime. This is useful if you want a quieter experience without extra feedback, so you can customize exactly when haptics are used in Grok. And that's how to enable or disable Grok is responding haptics on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple Android tutorials.